Hoy, hoy, hoy. Grabe yung bilis nito. Oh. Good morning po.
And now we're getting less people in front of us. Are you shy? Yeah, only shortly in the sun, not too long.
One more?
Not too long in the sun, only a short break in the shadow.
Oh, one more daw. Dalawa kami. Just one.
First short break in the shadow.
Ah, short break.
Already wrecked.
Tara. Oh, napakabait ni Seth siya na magdadala ng bag.
Ako na po magdala.
So, kasama ko po, ma'am? Okay lang po.
Hindi po ako sasama.
Tingnan mo, napakabait ng mga ano natin. Oh, nandyan sila. Okay na po, kaya yan, ma'am. Ayun, tinulungan na rin kami ni Kuya. Excited kasi itong dalawa. Kala namin hindi matutuloy. Uy, grabe yung bilis nito. Oh. Maglakad. Aniko. Good morning po.
Enjoy po.
Ay, Aniko. Kaya? Yeah. Wait. Ayan, dito tayo sa may kapitan. So, si Timmy mga pre medyo natatakot. First time niya. Ayan, takot siya sa makina. Medyo maingay kasi. Pero okay lang yan. Mamaya masasanay na yun.
Love sync unbroken. Who's unbroken here? Always remember the population in the world is 8 billion. Don't cry to the one person. Okay, so everyone, good morning!
Good morning! Sir, ilang island sir na pupunta natin? 5. Meron tayong 5 isla.
We woke up very early and we're waiting since like 1.5 hours. That's why everybody's very tired.
You know the best time to went here mga pre? Pag low season. Ayan. So hindi masyadong busy yung port. Lalo-lalo yung mga bangkero. Makakapokus sila. Kaya lang, pag joiners, syempre, pag grupo-grupo, ayan, marami din. Pero mas maganda yun pag joiners kasi masaya. Meron kang makikilala.
We tried to put on Timmy's life jacket also, but it's a little bit big, of course, and Timmy really is very sleepy. That's why he couldn't. He was only crying, so we took it off again. I will save him in case he will fall into the water. Don't worry.
Yeah. That's Lentong Island, yeah? You know?
Lentong Island.
Was is island on Deutsch?
Insel.
Insel?
Yeah.
Very hard.
With the L at
Like
the end.
insect?
Insel.
Insel. Okay, enjoy swimming.
Approaching the first beach.
Yeah. Ano tawag sa ano ba sa? Civic Commando. Civic 7 Commando.
Oh. Number 3 and then don't forget the place of your food guys. Alright.
People are already.
Wow.
Yes. People are getting ready to leave already, and
Baby,
we're
come here.
arriving.
Go to dito first dito.
Huwag ka lang titingin, baka masuka ka.
Wala. Mama.
Yeah, it's coming. Coming. Thank you, sir.
Water.
Yay.
Aniko, this is a low season, huh? Look at the people already.
Yeah.
City car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops. Cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life, hit me with it, right now I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want it, oh, I want it.
Tapos na yata sila maligo. Ano na? Tapos na? Petish?
Yeah, only
Uy,
shortly
uy,
in
oh,
the
let's
sun,
go.
not
One
too
more?
long.
One more?
Not too long in the sun, only a short break in the
Ay, man.
shadow.
Oh, one more daw. Dalawa kami. Just one.
First short break in the shadow.
Oh, short break.
Already red
Short break.
face.
Short break.
Short break in the shadow.
How was the hill? Look at the.
Yeah, very nice.
Show to them. Parang pulbos. Oh, parang pulburon. I'm afraid to the sea and I don't know how to swim.
You don't know how to swim? I don't believe you. I saw you swimming already. Huh?
You know what we forgot?
What did we forget?
Towel.
No, we have towel there. Inside the bag. Nanay.
It's not here.
Jimmy asking for nanay.
Nanay. Sige, lo. Masarap yan saging. Turon. Ma'am, sir, saging po, turon. Merienda mo na, merienda.
Is it hot?
Yeah, little only. Plain. Yeah. Bakbak agad. Gutom na, gutom. Isang isla pa lang yan, mga pre. Masarap turon, Nico. You tried?
Super
Ay,
nice.
Timmy, can sit here, Timmy, oh. Di. Timmy can sit. Oh, just keep. Oh, wait. May langgam. You know.
Did you eat already?
Not yet. Okay, maliit lang. Sarap kumain dito mga pre. Ay, merienda. Huwag ka mang-inggit. Don't make inggit them.
Hang on. Time goes by very fast. Our sundu is there already.
Good. Our son is there already, guys. Napakabilis lang. Diyan na siya. Grabe, 45 minutes.
But
Bilis.
no more swim here. But the next swim will be, on the next island we can swim again.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Guys, number one rule. Huwag mag-iwan ng kalat. Don't leave your trash, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, garbage.
Alright.
Laupin there, we will go already. Dito tayo, dito.
Ella wants to walk herself.
Okay. Sir, palambing po.
Sir, sir.
Salamat. Kaya ito, sir, kaya. Wow. Yan. Okay na, sir. Thank you. So back to the boat, mga pre. Tayo ulit sa may gilid. Yeah, Timmy. Sit in, Timmy, sit in. Ayun mga pre, one island is done. So we have 4 remaining. Kamusta?
Very good.
Very good. 1 to 10?
10.
Wow, 10 na rin.
I think all of the islands will be 10.
I think so. It's been 20 years nung huli kong punta dito. Yeah, 20 years, promise. Pero ganun pa rin yung ganda. Dumami lang talaga yung mga bisita. Pero dati, napaka-konti. Only almost local. Like 80% local yung nagabisita dito dati. And then 20% mga tourists. Okay na sir. The best. Thank you. So our next island is 30 to 45 minutes.
30 to 45 minutes to the next island, so we can rest a little bit.
You can sleep here.
I think Jimmy can sleep, hopefully, maybe a little bit.
There's a lot of Western restaurant here.
Yes.
Because a lot of tourists who wants to stay here. Because you live in the paradise.
Which one you like to live? Germany or here?
If I would be a mother, then I would want to live here. But with the children, it's easier for me with in Germany with the health insurance and everything there, and the school education.
Doon kami nalugi. But the cost of living, syempre dito mas maganda. Nandun kasi sa Germany family niya kaya agad.
Yeah, miss my brother and my parents also.
You can teach a basic Tagalog word.
Yeah.
Have you learned some Tagalog word?
Konti lang. I understand
Siguro ilan talampakan na lalim yan, sir?
18 di pa yan.
18 din. Lalim nga, no? Doon lang yung mababaw.
Kasi sa aming cellphone dito.
Dito, no? Ang dami nalalaglag.
Kasi pag minsan hiningi ko yung cellphone.
Wala na ba sa...
Ay, laglag.
Wala sa inyo? Wala na? Wala na?
Pagdating mo sa sagdan,
Wala ba na ba?
Oo. So, kailangan ingatan natin yung GoPro natin. Wala na pa namang hawakan. We need to... Ano ko, ha? Nasira nga, kakasira lang. Okay lang yan. Hawakan ko na lang na maigi. I need to hold this one very well, ano ko. Yeah. Nasira yung handle, mga pre.
Sir, kayo na sir,
Kami na. Sige po.
Jacket siya, padala nila.
Sige. Camila, we need your life jacket.
You're afraid you'll fall?
I'm afraid that we were gonna fall and also together with the camera. Patay. Saan ikaw nang bahala sa amin, sir, ha?
Apo.
Dahan-dahan lang po. Mga siguro 120.
Kayang-kaya po yan, sir.
Kayang-kaya.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no more.
While we were climbing in the boat because I had to give in out of my arms shortly, otherwise difficult to climb down. So now he's awake but looking around very sleepy. Maybe he thinks he's still dreaming. We're a little bit in the shadow and now we're getting less people in front of us.
Oh, you see a shark, Nico?
I see a shark?
I don't see it.
I didn't see a shark.
Yeah.
There are
Careful
the
holding
baby.
it, Nico, ha?
There are baby sharks somewhere around here, our guide said.
Tignan natin mga pre kung gaano kalalim, ha? Nandito na kami sa loob ng Big Lagoon. Ayan. Natin kung gaano kalalim. Gaano kalalim mga pre? Hindi ko alam. Kasi nagkakulay blue, no? Ayan. Ano ko, no? It's getting kulay blue. Dark blue.
Biglang babaw naman po ulit sa unahan, sir.
O yun, tapos biglang babaw nga naman dun, sabi ni Kuya. Apakaganda.
So yung activity po dati dito, sir, ay sightseeing and picture taking na boat by boat.
By boat, no?
Opo.
Okay. Ngayon ay may kayak na.
May kayak na po.
Oo, mas pinaano siya, mas pinaganda. Oh, wow, very beautiful like you, asawa ko. Hello po. Galing, oh, pasikat naman itong taon to. Pasikat ka naman, marunong. Pag meron ka anak na may sariling desisyon, ayaw niya daw magpatulong. Sige, bahala ka dyan, magpakihirap ka. Tayo makarating niya, makauwi tayo ng Puerto Princesa. Padyala ka. Ayla, nandito na tayo sa may mangroves, oh, sa Bakawan. Ano ko? Tingnan na baka may putakti dyan. Orang-orang tayo, orang-orang. This is the nursery home of the fish. You know it?
And the alimango.
Alimango also, alimango. It's okay, alimango. Yeah. Halika na, lapit na tayo dun. Oh, here, hello, pagman here. Pagman. Yeah, ganda. Like this. Yeah, I work as a bankero before, Nico. Yes. Yeah.
I was
Oh, di ba ang galing, oh? Yeah. Tignan mo, sisend ko na to kay Kuya. Ayan si Kuya, walang kahirap-hirap po. Oh, pagod na yan si Kuya, nakangiti pa rin. Hello. Mga ano siya, mga hilo. Hilo na yan, hilo. Ano, Ella, kamusta? Nag-enjoy ka, Ella? Ha? Hindi na makakita ng view si Papa, nakaharang ka na sa akin. Hoy, Ella, wala na kaming view ni Sir sa likod, oh. Ella, maglulutang ka man. Ella, meron ka man salmabida.
Soll ich deine Schwimmweste ausziehen?
Ha? So talaga itong siya talaga yung mediation na wag maghawak ng ano. Porkit meron siyang professional diver dito sa tabi. Ha?
And I want to take off her.
Okay. But guys, huwag niyong gagayahin guys. Huwag niyo kaming gagayahin. Lagi kayo magsuot ng ano. Kahit nasa mababaw. Sipin yung mga pre, no? Hindi pa yan siya peak season, pero ang dami na. Paano pa kaya pag peak season? Like ano ko? I tell to them that hindi pa nga not yet peak season but there's a lot of guests already.
Yeah.
How come it's a peak season? Patay. Talagang tumpok siguro dito. Parang pupo, no? Parang pupo ng kambing. Ganyan. Yan, no? La la la. La la la. Nakakadalawang isla pa lang kami mga pre. Gusto na matulog ni Ella. Naghanap na ng gatas. Naghanap na siya ng higaan. Mamaya na, kakain pa nga tayo tanghalian eh. Oh. Sakto. Alas 12 na, alas 12. Kakain na yan tayo. Ha? Gatas? O ito na, babalik na tayo. Sir, pwede na ba tayong bumalik, sir? Sige, yan, babalik na tayo. Babalik na kami mga pre ng ano ha, ng cruise ship. Ayan, no? This is our cruise ship for today. Ah, yun o. Yun ang cruise ship natin, no? Kaya ito, no? Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Boss Amo! Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Ay, salamat! May mga bago tayong subscriber.
Kuya Ryan.
We're back a little bit early, so I have time to make a little swim. Long time I didn't swim, but I think I have to come back soon because all the others are arriving now. So next stop is our eating place, and it's 5 to 10 minutes only. So everybody's hungry, I think, by now.
Yeah, gutom na kami mga pre. Nakakadalawang island pa lang kami mga pre, gutom na kami. Yeah.
And then afterwards, 2 more.
2 more. Time for eating. Andun na sila, andun na yung iba oh. Haba na tayo mga pre. Haba na tayo ng bangka. Yung dalawa gutom na itong mga pre. Yun.
Dito sir. Bali sir. Opo muna kayo. Sir, bali sir. Puwet nyo muna sir.
Wait ko muna.
Apo doon po kayo nakaharap sir. Sir, baba mo yan oy. Huwag mo takutin ha.
Buhay.
Apo lang sir. Sige sir, diretso po sir. Ay, sabi ko huwag mo tatakutin oy. Iiyak yun eh. Paano yan? Natakot mo. Ito po ba yung bag?
Ah, yes.
Melunan? Yeah, melunan. So mga pre, we have food already here. Our food. Ella, come here. Let's go na. Timmy, come. So, meron na tayo nakuha party natin para sa ating lunch time.
Really good food.
Yeah.
Masarap.
Mga pre, muntik na unahan ng ibon. Nauwa. They're almost getting my food.
The battery is sadly already exhausted. We'll just eat without it.
Oh, here, ice cream, Aniko. For the last video. Ha, kuha ka na kuha. Kung wala ko ng pambayad. Salamat po. Meron din silang buko.
So guys, see you in our next vlog. We will enjoy our ice cream in the beautiful surroundings.